Let's talk about your timed writing in this course, what you can expect, and how it differs from the essay portion of the actual AP Literature and Composition exam. When you're taking the actual AP exam, you'll have a total of 120 minutes to complete all 3 essays. While you can divide that time up between the essays in any way that you choose, you basically have 40 minutes to complete each essay. That includes reading and annotating the relevant passage that is provided for the essay, doing any planning and pre-writing you need to do, and then completing your finished essay. You'll have 3 graded timed writing activities in this course. However, rather than providing you with a completely authentic exam experience, the purpose of these activities is to help you learn how to answer the essay prompts and improve your writing skills. Because of this, they differ from the actual exam experience in several important ways. For the first timed writing, you'll get the reading passage and the prompt ahead of time, along with a video to get you started annotating the passage in a way that should help you write an effective essay that addresses the prompt. Then you'll have 40 minutes to write the actual essay. Compared to the exam, this gives you considerably more time for writing than you'll actually have, and you'll have a lot more time to think about what you want to write. For the second timed writing, you'll have the reading passage first, along with a video to help you with annotating it, but you will not have the prompt ahead of time. Using your already annotated passage, you will have 40 minutes to read the prompt, pre-write, and write your actual essay. Comparing this to the exam, although this is a little closer to an actual exam experience, you'll still have considerably more writing time than you will when you take the exam. For the third timed writing, you will not get the prompt ahead of time, and there is no reading passage. It will be a question 3 prompt, and question 3 prompts require you to base your essay on a larger work that you've already read. For this timed writing, you'll have 40 minutes to read the prompt, pre-write, and complete your final essay. Of your 3 graded timed writing activities, this will be the closest to an authentic exam experience. Timed writing activities are password protected. For each timed writing, you'll need to email your teacher for the password. Once you enter the password into the activity in Blackboard, you'll have exactly 40 minutes to read or reread the passage and/or the prompt and write your entire essay. At the end of 40 minutes, your essay will be submitted automatically. You will not have a second attempt, so it's very important that you plan your time carefully so that you will be uninterrupted for the entire 40 minutes. Remember that on the actual AP exam, you may not use a dictionary, and the directions in your timed writings also instruct you not to use a dictionary. You're on your honor in this matter, of course. However, it's in your best interest to refrain from using a dictionary for these activities. After each timed writing, you'll complete a calibration activity. This involves using the official AP scoring guide to read and score sample student essays that correspond to the prompt that you were given, and then completing a calibration activity chart that shows the score you assigned to each sample essay along with your reasoning, all based on the official scoring guide. Because the reason for completing these timed writing activities is to help you improve your writing before you take the exam, you'll go through a revision process for each of your timed writing essays. This is what that process looks like. Once you've completed and submitted the calibration activity for a timed writing essay, you will email your teacher and request to have your essay returned to you. Your teacher will return your essay to you in document form, just the way you submitted it. You will revise your essay based on what you learned from the calibration activity and submit it to your teacher again. Your teacher will return it to you with feedback. You will continue to revise and resubmit your essay based on your teacher's feedback until she's satisfied with your work. Once your teacher has indicated that your essay is satisfactory, you'll submit the final version for a grade. At some point in the revision process, your teacher might require you to attend a live Blackboard Collaborate session with her to discuss your essay. Keep in mind that in order to receive credit for the final revised draft of each timed writing, you must fully participate in the revision process, and all revisions and final submissions must be completed on time. In order to give you more practice with timed writing, you'll have 3 additional timed writings in Folder 8. These timed writings will be representative of the 3 question types on the AP exam. For each additional timed writing, you will write and submit a first draft. For each additional timed writing, you will complete and submit a calibration activity. Then you will choose one of your additional timed writings to revise for a major grade. You and your teacher will go through the same revision process for your chosen additional timed writings as you did for your first 3 graded timed writings. You've chosen to take this AP Literature and Composition course online, which has many advantages. But remember, while you can complete these timed writings in your pajamas on your laptop with your headphones in if you so choose, the actual exam environment will be much different. If you like to listen to music or have the TV on while you write, remember that you won't be able to do that when you're taking the exam. It is to your advantage to replicate the exam environment as much as possible, and doing so is up to you. Your teacher is there to help you. Email anytime you have questions or concerns. Good luck with your timed writings and the rest of your AP Literature and Composition course with eSchool.